Go.
Hands up.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, hello, here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign.
You sign.
A sign to say, hands up. Dizzy, Dizzy, hello, hello, here is Joe. Hello, hello, Ozzy too. Deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Hands up.
Thank you.
Thank you, Joe.
Oh, we'll practice later. Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town, country, making friends with every delivery.
Hello, Joe. Hello, Ozzy.
Hello, Aisling.
Ready for a delivery?
Oh, yes. I love making deliveries.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a flashlight, butter, and a secret film to the cinema.
I love the cinema.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you. Lucy and Mr. Rogers are waiting for you, and they will help you with your deliveries.
Great. Let's go.
Hands up. Hands up.
Joe? No.
No!
He can't park inside here, can he? No. Joe, you can't park inside the cinema.
Oh. Okay, I'll park outside the cinema. Oh. Hello. You must be Lucy.
I'm Mr. Rogers, the cinema manager.
Let's love sign. Cinema. Cinema. You sign. Cinema. Good. Cinema.
I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy.
Phones and devices have to be kept on silent inside the cinema.
But Ozzy's my friend, and he's here to help me make deliveries. Aren't you, Ozzy?
Sorry, Mr. Ozzy. I am under a lot of pressure today. We're showing a secret film, and a customer has lost his glasses.
Don't worry, we can help. Let's go. Look at this, Lucy.
Hello, sir. Don't worry, we'll help you find your glasses.
What's that, Lucy? A flashlight?
Yeah.
I'll be back in a flash. Wait here. Oh!
Yeah.
A flashlight.
That's a flash. Oh,
Daddy,
thank you, Joe. Okay,
Come on, let's find these glasses.
let's go.
Excuse me, madam. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Don't mind me. There, look, sorry. Enjoy the movie. Sorry. Oh! Sorry about this.
Oh, glasses.
Thank you, everyone.
Good job, Lucy. As a reward, here's some popcorn.
Oh, popcorn. I love popcorn. Oh. This popcorn is very dry.
I'm sorry, we've no butter left. I'm expecting a delivery soon.
Butter? My delivery. Wait here. Oh. Butter. Oh, would you like some? Popcorn.
Let's love sign. Popcorn. Popcorn. You sign. Popcorn. Good. Popcorn.
What's going on here?
The people are arriving for the surprise film.
What's the surprise film?
I can't tell you that. It's a surprise.
Can I come see it?
Yes. Well, join the queue, please. Hello, this way, please, to the film. Hi. Film is this way. Hello, the film is this way. Hello. Enjoy the film. You go down there. Hello. Oh, there's a ticket for you. Here you-
3 tickets, please.
You don't need to pay.
Wow.
But you do need to do something else for us.
What's that?
You have one more delivery for us.
Ah, yes. The secret film. Wait here. Oh. Oh. Aha! The film. Oh. 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 It's fine. Wrap it around like this.
What's going on here?
The film.
Let's love sign. Film. Film. You sign. Film. Good. Film.
The film.
No, 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 Joe. That's much too big for our projector.
Oh. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, There you go.
Perfect. I'll start the film. Let's go.
Let's go, Lucy. Come on.
Okay. Oh, you sit there in the middle. Okay. Bye.
Hello, everyone.
It's Aisling.
It's Aisling.
Hello, everyone. My name is Aisling. And I'm here to welcome you to the surprise film, The Dizzy Adventures of Joe and Ozzy.
Deliveries.
Wait here.
This way. Keep on my way.
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Dave.
Oh, well, we've had a great day, haven't we, Aisling?
Yes.
But now it's time to go. Come on, Aisling, let's go.
Bye.
Aisling, Aisling, wait. Oh.